Okay, let's see if I can show you what happened, Pam. If you look at your applet, you'll see that it's really wide. So what you want to do is scroll that bottom bar all the way to the right and click on Edit. When you get to the widget, you can edit it, but this is the code right in here. Now, the things you want to pay attention to for resizing are width and height. So a width of 1300 is really quite large. So let's cut that down to a little less than half. Let's say 500. And let's make your height about 400. Now, usually what happens is that those size indicators come in two places. So we'll have to click our way down until we see the other pair of width and height indicators. And we're coming back into the area where they'll probably be. I'm guessing, oh, a little further down maybe yet. No, looks like this applet only has one pair. So if I click Preview, looks like it's there, and save it. And then I can preview it, the wiki, without actually having to see the whole thing. And if we look at it there, now it's going to load. We've got it down to sort of a reasonable size. If I continue editing and then save it, it should be just fine. There we go. Should be just fine. Now I can just have to grasp that bar. It's loading up. It's where you want it to be. And if you play with your own controls, you'll be able to move things around. Now you can play a couple of other pieces of advice from Linda were to get rid of this algebra panel and to kind of use your move tool to move the axis so that you could see the rest of the display. But that gives you some idea at least of how to resize the widget, or else you can completely delete it and change the size and the orientation in your own file first and then put it back in again. Hope that helped.